Assalamualaikum and hi. My name is Siti Zubaidah from Jabatan Kejuruteraan Awam Polytechnic Kuching Sarawak, and I would like to present my research about production of staircase by using waste concrete cube and Gabion basket in slope area. Concrete is one of the most widely used material in the world for structural purposes such as foundations, column, beam and floors that are capable of bearing heavy loads. Concrete is composed of three basic components: cement, aggregate, which is rock, sand and gravel, and water for mix. Concrete cubes are cast and tested during the construction of any building structure to check the compressive strength before the construction has been started. The concrete laboratory at Polytechnic Kuching Sarawak faced challenges in disposing the concrete cube which accumulate each semester, affecting the teaching and learning process. Every semester, students are required to engage in skill works by making and testing concrete cube. After testing, the concrete cube made by the student are left at the concrete disposal area. Consequently, the accumulation of this concrete cube waste indirectly contribute to environmental pollution problem. After conducting a site investigation and survey, the location shown was chosen. This decision was made due to the unsafety of the old pathway, which is bent and slippery, especially during rainy days. This project aims, first, to replace the conventional method of constructing concrete staircase by utilizing Gabion basket and waste concrete cube. Second, to enhance user safety and the efficiency of staircase production in slope area. And lastly, to test durability of slab pavement to withstand various load without breaking or bending. Now, let's look at our design for Gabion basket and slab pavement. The size of Gabion basket is 300 x 250 in height and 600 mm in length. The Gabion basket is designed so that it can fit 8 concrete cube size 150 x 150 each. Okay, the first step was cutting the wire mesh into 6 sections according to the design. Each wire mesh piece is assembled to form a rectangular basket shape. The second step was to produce the slab pavement. The slab pavement is intended for the stair tread. The size of the slab is 30 x 60 cm. The mix ratio for the slab is 1:2 with 0.45 water ratio. Before we produce the slab pavement, slump test and compressive test was carried out first. Slump test was conducted before pouring the concrete mix into the 150 x 150 mm cube mold. The cube were let to dry overnight before the curing process for 7 days and 28 days. The compressive strength test was conducted for 7 and 28 days. Here are the results for the test of compressive strength. For the 7 days, we get the average compressive strength is about 32.79. And for 28 days, the average compressive strengths are 35.95. After getting the result, the next process was to produce the slab pavement by using the same mix design. The concrete then poured into the formwork and let to dry for 1 week before remove the formwork. After the site clearing had been done, the site is marked and dug according to the size of the Gabion. Risers were built on the back edge of the site using shovel and hoe. Before placing the Gabion basket, the soil must be compacted with a suitable sub-base material, which in this study we are used gravel. After soil is compacted, the Gabion basket is placed on the base and filled with the waste concrete cube. Finally, the Gabion cover is tightly tied to the top of the Gabion basket before we put the slab pavement. The analysis of this study is carried out using a quantitative method. A total of 50 respondents who used this staircase from the hostel to the PKS mosque were selected to answer a survey questionnaire. The study finding reveals that all respondents agreed that this step is safe for user. Additionally, in response to the question regarding to the environment, All respondents agree that these Gabion concrete cube waste steps are environmental friendly. For the conclusion, this project successfully reduced the accumulation of concrete cube waste behind the PKS carpentry. The concrete pavement slab constructed above Gabion basket has been tested and proven to withstand heavy load. This study also proved that this Gabion basket method can replace the conventional staircase construction method in slope area. In addition, this study also created a slope that is more stable, reducing the risk of landslide brought on by rain or other natural occurrence. Apart from being able to maintain the greenness of nature, these Gabion steps are also very quick to build and reduce the concrete cube waste in PKS.